Today let us talk about iPhone 11. Here are the key details of the iPhone 11. Design **. Sleek design with a glass front and back, aerospace-grade aluminum frame. Available in various colors, including black, green, yellow, purple, red, and white. Display **. 6.1-inch Liquid Retina IPS LCD display. 1792 x 828 pixel resolution at 326 ppi. True Tone technology for a natural viewing experience. Wide color display, P3, and Haptic Touch. Performance **. Powered by the A13 Bionic chip with third-generation neural engine. Exceptional performance, improved energy efficiency, and advanced machine learning capabilities. Camera **. Dual 12MP ultra-wide and wide cameras at the back. Night mode, deep fusion, and Smart HDR for stunning low-light and high-detail photos. 4K video recording at 24 frames per second, 30 frames per second, or 60 frames per second. Front camera **. 12MP TrueDepth front camera. 4K video recording at 24 frames per second, 30 frames per second, or 60 frames per second. Slow-mo video support for 1080p at 120 frames per second. Battery **. All-day battery life for regular usage. Supports fast charging, up to 50% charge in around 30 minutes, with an 18W adapter or higher. Other features **. Face ID facial recognition for secure authentication. Water and dust resistance, IP68 rating. iOS operating system with regular updates and app support. Storage options **. Available in 64GB, 128GB, and 256GB storage capacities. Connectivity **. Dual SIM, Nano SIM and eSIM. Gigabit class LTE, Wi-Fi 6, 802.11ax, Bluetooth 5.0, NFC with reader mode. These details provide a comprehensive overview of the iPhone 11 specifications and features.